well, I haven't made a video in a while, but I wanted to show off my nails. Now what I did was I used, this is not sponsored or anything, but I ordered this builder gel set for beetles. And so I set down a clear layer first, and then I got this. I'll link this below to where I got it on Amazon. It's Modelones. So that's the iridescent hearts that you see, those hollow hearts, the hologram looking things. And then, yeah, so this took me like an all-day thing, and I've had a cold that hung on for a few weeks, so I haven't really been updating as much as I should, but this is the deal. This is what I've been up to, so anyway. All right, I'll take some pictures for my Instagram too, so you can see. These are so cool. I really like these. They're just kind of shimmery. I think that's pretty. So, yeah. All right. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day, and I'll be back soon with an update. I have a new outfit I planned out, and I had my scan. All good news. So, all right. I'll be back later. Bye.